Today we will see 4.3 exercise. But before that, let's see some concepts which are needed for 4.3 exercise. First is capital. What is capital? The amount required to start a company. Means you have to start a business, isn't it? So the amount, like I would need 5 crore to start a business. So that amount is your capital amount. Next one is the word share. Share means the smallest unit of capital. Supposing I say that out of that 50 or 5 crore, 1 crore is mine, which I use it. Means 1 crore I have given to the company from that 5 crore. So that means share. So the share which you have given needs a proof, isn't it? That you have given 1 crore and whatever profit comes from that, you will get certain percentage of it. So that is the face value. The value printed on the share certificate is called the FV, which is face value, or it is also called a nominal value, printed value, or par value. Next concept is market value. Price at which the shares are sold or purchased in the stock market. Supposing I feel that I need that money 1 crore rupees. Okay, or a particular amount. So what I will do is I will sell that in the stock market. So we have a formula here. MV, the market value, is the face value plus the premium. Now, what is a premium? Let's see. If the market value is greater than the face value, then it is called a premium, means you are in a profit. That you bought it for 10 rupees and you're selling it for 20 rupees, then it is called a premium. If the market value is equal to the face value, means you brought it for 10 rupees and you're selling it for 10 rupees, then that is called per. And if the market value is less than the face value, means you're in a loss, then that word is called as discount in stock market. Next one is sum invested. Total amount required to purchase the shares is the sum invested. Means supposing I want to buy 5 shares of 500 each. So I need to pay them a certain amount, isn't it? 2500 maybe. So that is the sum invested, means I have bought 5 shares with each market value to be 500. Next concept is dividend. The part of the annual profit of a company. Supposing the company made 10 crore profit and you have 5 shareholders. So that 10 crore profit would be shared with each person, each shareholder. So that is called a dividend or divide. Dividend per share is face value into percentage of dividend upon 100. Dividend income share is dividend per share into shares. And rate of return is dividend income upon sum invested into 100. I would be sharing these formulas. I would be in my shorts. So do comment down below if you want all the formulas of financial plannings together. Okay, so this is the flow in which we will go. We will see practice set 4.3, but we'll go in this order. First we'll do the first one, second one, fourth one, seventh one, and so on. So that we'll go from easy to hard, so that at least you know these easy sums. So the first question is, FE they have given us 100 and they have said that it is a par. So remember what I told you, par means FV is equal to MV. So your value here would be rupees 100. Next is dash is equal to premier rupees 500 and 575. So when the word premier comes, you know that correct, MV is greater than FV. So if 500 is here, you will minus 575 minus 500 and you will get it as rupees 75. Now here FV is more, MV is less. What is this? Correct. It is discount of how much percent? 5 Understood? The next one we see is Mr. Amol purchased 50 shares of face value. So we will write purchased how many shares? So number of shares. How much is it? 50. Then the next thing they've told you, face value is 500. So FV is equal to not 500, 100. And they have told you the market value to be rupees 80. So this is given to you. Then you have to write to find what they have given you or what they have asked. Find rate of return. So you know the formula, isn't it? What is the formula? Total dividend upon total investment this is received. Okay, total dividend received upon total into 100. Correct? This much is clear to you all? Okay. So what we will do is solution FV is equal to 100 and correct number of shares is 50. So first we'll find dividend because we need your total dividend received. So dividend is equal to 20% per share. They have mentioned here, correct? So 20 upon 100 and how many shares are there? Value of the share of face value. So 20 upon 100 into 100. 100 gets cancelled. You're left with 20. So we found dividend of 1 share, right? So dividend of 50 shares is how much? 20 into 50, which is equal to 10 and 2 zeros, 1000. So MV they have given us 80. So total investment, how much did we invest? Is 80 into 50, which is equal to 44 and 2 zeros. Now we have to find the rate of return. It is total dividend received upon total investment into 100. So how much is the total dividend received? 1000. Total investment was 4000 into 100, which is 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0 cancel. 2 2s are 2, 5s are and 0. 2 1s are and we are left with 25. So we have received a rate of return to be 25%. Next one we'll see is Srimati Deshpande purchased shares of FV rupees 5 at the premium of 20 rupees. How many shares will she get for 20,000? So here which formula we have to use? Correct, number of shares. What is the number of shares formula? Sum invested upon MV. So here you have a face value of 5 rupees and premium is rupees 20, correct? So you know that MV is equal to FV plus premium. 5 plus 20 will give you 25. Correct? And they have given you, she gets 20,000. So this is sum invested. 20,000. So you will find the formula, number of shares is equal to 20,000 upon MV. MV is given as 25. So we'll do the calculation. 5 5s are 5, 4s are, and 1 2 3 0. 5 1s are, again you have 8 and 0. So answer will be 800 shares. The other sums I would be making in the next video, so the continuation will be in the next video. So do wait for it. If you like my video, do share, like, and comment down the concept you require. I'll make a video. Thanks for watching.